Alright, let's take a little break from shoes and focus on this package that arrived for me last week. The size, shape, and weight of the box makes it very obvious to me what's inside. So let's not waste any more time and open it. Inside this box is the Womeer K66 mechanical keyboard. As the K66 model name implies, it's a 66 key or a 60% keyboard. It comes in this unprinted brown cardboard box, like Yeezys. And once we open it, we can immediately see the manual and the keyboard inside a waxy plastic bag. It is supported by closed cell foam to protect it during shipping. The keyboard is very small. Let's take it out. Underneath the keyboard is the white USB to USB-C data cable. Though this keyboard comes with a detachable wire, it is not wireless. So that's everything inside. Let's go back to the keyboard. This is the Womeer K66. It's a 60% keyboard, so it doesn't have the numpad, the modifier cluster, the arrow keys, and the function row. If I lay it on top of my current keyboard, the Corsair Strafe RGB, which is a full-size keyboard, you can exactly see what's missing physically. But losing those keys doesn't mean you don't actually have them anymore. Most of the keys that you're physically missing in the Womeer K66 are still here through dual functions. As you can see, printed on the side of the keys are the alternate functions. Essentially, you still have the function row right here. You are missing a home and end key though. Removing a keycap and checking the switch, we see that it has Gateron blue switches, hence the clicky sounds. Fantastic. The keyboard housing is made up of 3 sheets of frosted acrylic. You can see the places where the screws go through the body to hold them together. And while we're here at the bottom, here are the feet. They're soft rubber and have pretty good grip, but they are not adjustable height. The USB port is located at the upper right side. And speaking of the USB port, let's get this plugged in so we can see the light show. That's crazy bright, and it has like all of the colors. It's so bright. You want to see how bright it is? Let's compare it to the Corsair Strafe RGB, which was the brightest mechanical keyboard at its time. Let's turn off the light too for maximum effect. Look at that. The Strafe doesn't even stand a chance. But enough of the light show. Let's test it out with some 10 fast fingers. .91. That's not bad. I'm getting slow. The switches are kind of light though. I'm not sure if I like that yet, but I do miss typing on clicky switches. So that's my unboxing of the Womeer K66 mechanical keyboard. Let me know if you have any questions about this keyboard that you would like to be answered in the full review. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more straight to the point videos like this. My previous video was my unboxing of the World Balance X Secret Fresh Big Boy Cheng Ice-Perm shoes. That's a mouthful. Have you seen it yet? It's pretty good. Go watch it. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.